so I'm going to be making some mango lemonade, and I've got a couple of different sorts of mango here. This is what you see most commonly. It's a Tommy Atkins mango, and they generally come from India. And these are called champagne mangoes. They tend to come from Mexico, and they actually are my favorite ones. Anyway, so here's a way to get into a mango. I'm going to open them both because we want the mango to be nice and ripe and sweet. Now, if you can't find a fresh mango, there is one thing that you can do, is that you can buy mango pulp. Oh, this is the one we're going to use for our lemonade. You can buy mango pulp in the frozen section of at the supermarket. Okay, so this is kind of easy to do. I'm going to, it's okay, I was going to show you how to do this here. Now be very careful when you do this, because in the same way that you can cut yourself when you're cutting up avocados, you can do the same way here. Sometimes in a restaurant they'll serve it to you like that, like a hedgehog, which I kind of like, but that's not what we're going to do here, process it, because really what we want them to be is smushed up. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the sugar in here. You can dissolve it in the, but I'd rather put it in the lemonade, but I think it would be wisely to put it in here. Now we already have, it's already got cold water in there. Now obviously if you're making this with chilled mango from the supermarket, you don't really have to, that's so good, put in any ice. Now, so, just wash a little bit of that. Okay. And there we have mango lemonade. I'll put some ice in there.